Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to be doing a TikTok hack for chicken nuggets, keto chicken nuggets with some canned chicken that I have seen on TikTok. And we're going to be using pork rinds for the breading. So really, we're going to be having some zero carb chicken nuggets. And we're also going to make some keto Chick Fil A sauce to go along with the chicken nuggets. So if you like keto recipes, please make sure you subscribe if you have not already. And let's go ahead and get into the video. We're going to be making these in the air fryer today. Alright guys, today we're going to be using a 12.5 ounce can of chicken. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and drain the water out of the can. Alright, so now just go ahead and dump your chicken into a bowl that you have. Alright, next up, just get a fork and try to, shred your chicken into little pieces. Mash it up just a little bit. You don't have to do it a lot, just a little bit. Just so that we can, shape it a little bit more, because you are going to be shaping this into the shape of some chicken nuggets. And that way it'll work a little bit better with you if it's more mashed up. Alright guys, so into the chicken, we are going to add in half a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. I went ahead and shredded this mozzarella myself, but you can also use whatever you have on hand. If you have the pre-shredded, that will work too. And just give it a mix. Alright, and then to that, you're going to crack one large egg and mix it all together. Okay, and use whatever seasonings you like, but I'm adding in some black pepper, some garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. And then just mix it all in. Here I have a half a cup of pork rinds. It may or may not be enough, but I'm also going to add in some seasonings to this. Pretty much the same seasonings that we added into the chicken, except I'm not going to put any salt in because the pork rinds already have enough salt. So I'm also going to put in some parsley. So to the pork rinds, I did onion powder, garlic powder, pepper, and paprika and parsley. So give that a good mix, and then all we're going to do is we're going to take our chicken nuggets that we have shaped, and we're going to just be dipping them into the pork rind mixture and then putting them on the tray of our air fryer. Everything ready to go now. So now we're just going to use our hands and kind of shape the chicken into little chicken nuggets. And you want it to look just like that. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then just dip it into your crushed pork rinds that you've seasoned. You're going to get them just like that, and then just put them on your air fryer tray. You can also make these in the oven if you don't have an air fryer. And that's it. We're just going to do that for all of them. The two first ones I made kind of bigger, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, so before we put them in the air fryer, we're going to spray the top with cooking spray, and you're going to probably want to flip them halfway in between and then spray them again on the other side. So let's go ahead and get these into the air fryer, and we'll move on to the next step. Alright, so while those are in the air fryer, we're going to make some Copycat Chick Fil A sauce. it may not taste just like Chick Fil A sauce, but I am pretty happy with it, so you can adjust it as needed. So first we're going to put in some mayo. And this is half a cup of mayo. And then we are going to add in some yellow mustard. Alright, we're adding in some sugar-free barbecue sauce. Again, all the measurements will be listed down below. Here we're adding in a pinch of salt. And we're going to just add in some lemon juice. I don't have any lemons, so we're going to use this lemon juice. That's fine. Okay, and the last thing we're going to do is we're going to add in some sweetener. And then just give it a little mix. And that's pretty much going to be it. So you can adjust the taste if you want to. This is the way I actually like it. So if you feel like you need to add or take away a little bit, then, you know, by all means, that's what you do. But this is how you can enjoy some keto Chick Fil A sauce, and they go great with these chicken nuggets. So now that that's all done, let's check on the chicken nuggets. Alright, we've pulled out these chicken nuggets. Now, we stopped them halfway in between, and we're just going to flip them over because, of course, I have aluminum foil on them so that they don't get a mess everywhere. So you definitely, I think either way, even without the aluminum foil, you definitely want to flip them in between just to make sure that they get nice and crispy on each side. Okay, and then also make sure that you respray them once you flip them. They are crispy, so let's try them with this Chick Fil A sauce and see what we think about them. And then just to kind of show you how the Chick Fil A sauce comes out, it does come off like this. So maybe not exactly like the color of Chick Fil A sauce, but it works. Alright guys, so the chicken nuggets are all done. So now it is time to test them out. Now, when I took them out of the air fryer, you can hear that they are crunchy. So we're going to go ahead and test them out. And then we also went ahead and made some keto Chick Fil A sauce. And I will also leave you guys a recipe for this keto Chick Fil A sauce that I normally make. So you'll find all of that in the description down below. So let's give this a taste. Crunchy. Definitely crunchy. It's good. So if you have kids that enjoy chicken nuggets, make these for them. They're super easy, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you on the next video.